हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नॉलेज ट्रंगल यूट्यूब चैनल में मैं आपको स्वागत करता हूँ। आज मैं आपको एक इंग्लिश लर्निंग ऐप के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देने वाला हूँ। हम सबको पता है कि इंग्लिश ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लैंग्वेज है जो हम सबको सीखनी ज़रूरी है। इंग्लिश ये एक इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज है, एक बिजनेस लैंग्वेज है। तो इस लैंग्वेज को सीखना ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। हमारे करियर एडवांसमेंट के लिए इंग्लिश बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में इंग्लिश कैसे सीख सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग अ मोबाइल ऐप, क्योंकि आज हम सब मोबाइल ऐप यूज़ करते ही है। तो अगर उस मोबाइल ऐप में इस मोबाइल में अगर हमने एक ऐप इंस्टॉल किया तो उस ऐप के ज़रिए हम अच्छी तरह से डे टू डे लाइफ जो इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन है वो सीख सकते हैं। एक बेसिक लेवल से तो एडवांस लेवल तक हम इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं। तो उस ऐप का नाम है लर्न इंग्लिश डेली। तो उस ऐप को हम आज सीखेंगे कि कैसे उस ऐप को हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं और उस ऐप का यूज़ करके हम अपने इंग्लिश को अच्छी तरीके से कैसे बोल सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले आपके मोबाइल में लर्न इंग्लिश डेली ये ऐप होना ज़रूरी है। तो ये लर्न इंग्लिश डेली ऐप आप गूगल प्ले स्टोर से नहीं तो वेबसाइट से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो डिफरेंट टैब्स आपको दिख रहे हैं, ऑफलाइन लेसन्स, उसके लिए हमें इंटरनेट की ज़रूरत नहीं है। फिर ऑनलाइन वीडियो लेसन, फिर BBC लर्निंग इंग्लिश, फिर प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश रीडिंग स्किल, देन VOA लर्निंग इंग्लिश, then practice English with caption, then more English applications are available. So first of all, we will study the offline lessons. So here in the offline lesson, so there are multiple options are available. So in first option, 100 common conversations are given. So if we click on this 100 common conversation, then we can find out the different conversations that we use in our day-to-day life. So the I am hungry, then asking directions, what's your name, do you speak English, where are you from. So if you click on any conversation, then the pronunciation of this conversation you can hear.
How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you American? Yes. Where are you from?
So here we can pause the video. You can also click on the star button. Here you can add this conversation in your favorite items. So any conversation you can play and you can learn how can we pronounce that particular conversation. So go back, then again go back. So here then essential phrases are given. So here in the essential phrases, so different phrases are given that we use in our day-to-day life. Suppose general questions, work, cultural expression, emergency and health. So common expressions, greeting, travel directions, number and money, location. So any you can click. So across from the post office. So if you want to hear that particular conversation, then click on this speaker icon here.
Across from the post office.
Now next at 3 o'clock you can
At 3
click.
o'clock.
So such a type of different essential phrases are given here. You can play any by just clicking on this speaker icon, or you can play
At
all
3
the
o'clock.
conversations.
Be quiet. Can you recommend a good
You
restaurant?
can pause it.
He studies it.
Now go back. So now there are essential words are there. Click on this. So common expressions, greeting, travel directions, number and money, locations, phone, internet, mail, times and dates. So accommodation. So if you can click any of this option. So apartment, bed, bedroom, closed. So any you can play.
Closed.
You can play all the
Closed.
conversations.
Comfortable. Elevator. Full. Guest. Gym. Hotel.
Pause it.
Key.
Go back. So such a type of essential words are available also. So tenses are given. So you know that tenses are very important to learn the English grammar. So click on this. So different types of tenses are given: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, simple present, simple continuous. So you can click on any. Here if you click on present perfect tense, so here the different rules, formulas of present perfect tense are given here. You can see here the formula plus different examples are given to explain the present perfect tense. So here in this way you can learn the different tenses here. So go back, then favorite items are there. So here as I have already told you, if you click on this star button, then that particular conversation is marked as a favorite and it is then added into your favorite items. So go back. Now next tab here we can see that is online video lessons. So for this online video lesson we need internet connection. So then click on your cellular mobile data and on your mobile data connections. Then you can see here pronunciation guides. So in this pronunciation guides, if you click on this pronunciation guides, then different videos that will give you the information about how to pronounce a particular conversation or words, then it is given in the form of videos. So different videos are available. You can click on any video. Suppose this is the English pronunciation. So the video is loading. It is available in online. So you can click on this play button.
Hi, I'm Tim, and this is my pronunciation workshop. Here, what it is. Well, here's a clue. Do you know now? Let's ask the people of London.
It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. A piece of cake.
So in this way, you can learn how to call a particular object using this English accent. So now go back. So such a type of different videos are available. You can play any video. Then pronunciation guides, then English with Mr. Duncan, then advanced lessons are there, then basic grammars are there. You can click on this advanced lesson. Then advanced lessons videos are also available. So do you have a question or a doubt? Suppose we play this video and click on this play button.
Do you have a question or a doubt from EspressoEnglish.net? Students often say, I have a doubt, and then ask me something about the English language. However, native English speakers don't usually say it this way. If you want to know the answer about something, you should say, I have a question. So when can we use the word doubt? Well, the word doubt in English is more often used as a verb. It means...
So in this way, in this video, we can learn the difference between two similar words. Suppose what is the difference between question and doubt. Most of the time, we usually get confused between the meaning of the two words. We may consider question and doubts are same, but here there are some grammatical changes. So we can learn such a changes from these videos. So again go back. Then basic grammars are also available here. If you click on this basic grammar, then basic grammar videos are also available. Click on this.
They're the same for all the pronouns. I will, she will, etc.
So here in this video, different basic lessons about the beginners are given. So here different videos are available. You can click on any video and you can learn online the various basic grammar lessons. So now click on this BBC Learning English tab. So in this BBC Learning English tab, there are different video options are available. Suppose 6-minute English. In this option, different videos are available which are of the 6-minute duration. So you can play any video. Suppose we click on this 6-minute English. So all the videos are of 6-minute duration. So suppose we click on this play button.
Hello and welcome to 6-Minute English. I'm Neil.
And I'm Alice. Neil, what are you eating?
Peanuts.
Did you know that one of the is our body's defense against infection, and it's switched off or not working for the first month of a baby's life?
And through exposure to lots of things in our environment, that's family.
So such type of videos are available. So now go back. Then everyday phrases are there, news reviews are there. So if you click on this news review, then play the video. So click on this play button.
Hi everyone, welcome to News Review. I'm Neil in my home studio. Of course,
We are in lockdown because of the coronavirus outbreak. But with me, well, on the other side of London, is Catherine. Hi, Catherine.
Hello, Neil. Hello, everybody.
So different news reviews are also we can learn from these videos. So go back again. Then practice English reading skill. So here different web reader websites are given, such as Independent, Mirror, Express, The Sun Daily, Daily Mail, The Guardian, the BBC Future, BBC News. You can click on any news web reader. So here if you click on the BBC News, then this is the web reader website. You can read this website. The different articles are there related to the coronavirus, videos, world, Asia, UK, business, technology, science, and many more. So from this web reading, you can improve your reading skill as well as vocabulary. So go back again, go back. Then VOA Learning English. Here different videos are available. Suppose English in a minute. So in this English in a minute option, so different videos of 1 minute durations are available. So if you click on any video, so in 1 minute you can learn the different lessons.
Welcome to English in a Minute. We all need to breathe to live, and even the best swimmers can hold their breath for only so long.
Don't hold your breath.
Is this
So go back. Then Everyday Grammar TV is there. If you click on this, then you can learn the grammar with the help of television. So you can click on any video here and start on the play button.
This is Everyday Grammar. If you watch the news often, you will probably hear clips from the speeches of politicians. Politicians often use certain techniques when they are speaking.
So go back. Again go back. Then American stories are there. You can watch the different American stories, and with this you can improve your vocabulary as well as your communication skill through this American stories. You can play any story here.
Love of Life by Jack London. Part 1.
The two men moved painfully.
So in this way different American stories are available. Then practice English with caption. So here you can play the videos and the different pronunciations are also available. So here the different videos with their captions we can read beneath that video. So here how to make choosing easier, then education, then architecture, and different domains you can select here. Suppose I select education domain. So click on this education and click on any video. Suppose I click on this video.
That was it. By the way, thank you very much. So, 15 minutes left. Well, I was born. No, I had a great story recently. I love telling it, of a little girl who was in a drawing lesson. She was 6 and she was at the back.
So then more English applications. So here more English applications apps is suggested by this Learn English Daily app. Then practice speaking English. Then Dickbox Universal Dictionary is also given. So you need to download it from the Play Store. So if you click on it, then App Market or Play Store, Google Play Store, you can download it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Thank you.